And we do want to check in with the first alert forecast. Chief Meteorologist Scott Padgett, you've been busy this week.
It has been a busy week. Mother Nature has been watching this pattern of these showers and storms developing well to the northwest of North Texas. But because of the upper level pattern, they're traveling their way down to the southeast. That's what we have this morning. Another mesoscale convective system moving its way over parts of the state line. None of this is severe, but you're going to hear some rumbles of thunder, some pockets of maybe some heavier rain. I can't rule out the chance of maybe some small hail and also some gusty winds. Moving the radar up a little bit. This darker green line that you see now moving into parts of Denton County, into Collin County, that's an outflow boundary. So maybe winds gusting up to near 40 miles per hour as that moves in before we see the rain possibly move through. So the north sides of the Metroplex, the north sides of Denton County, Collin County, you might have some storms try to work their way on through, but a lot of this activity should be dying out over the next couple of hours as the atmosphere overhead has really been worked over the last couple of days. So you can see that our first alert futurecast trying to pick up on that activity tapering off this morning. And then as we go into the afternoon hours, maybe an isolated storm or two trying to pop up again late tonight. So any severe threat today, it's well to the northwest. And the Storm Prediction Center sent this out yesterday to the evening hours. I'm not really initializing well for us, so I don't anticipate severe weather as we go through the day ahead. Do anticipate the potential of some areas of some patchy fog, but right now at DFW, visibility is 10 miles. We're at 61 degrees. Our winds out of the southeast at 5 miles per hour holding together. Across North Texas, most of our reporting locations are in the low to the mid 60s in a couple of spots. Upper 50s though in Greenville being reported. Good morning to you. Hopefully you're having a great finally Friday morning. We're at 60 in Lancaster to 61 in Denton. So through the morning hours, the precip chance around 20% will then taper off. I'll see that mix of sun and clouds in the forecast. We'll see 65 degrees by 8 by 10, 70 degrees on the way. Today we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies at times. Into the afternoon hours, I do expect temperatures to warm their way into the mid 80s for us, and those small rain chances at 20% because of leftover boundaries from yesterday. We could see enough that we might see a couple of isolated storms pop up, but I don't anticipate a soggy day today compared to what we saw yesterday, picking up nearly 9/10 of an inch of rain yesterday. And for the month, we're now up by 3/10 of an inch of rain. We're going to be adding on to that, though, but we're going to be starting May. So that number count will reset, in a sense, as we go to the new month. 83 degrees Saturday, by Sunday, 86. That's your best weekend day to do some gardening. As we go into next week, though, you can see by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we start to see the clouds return. Possible first alert weather days Tuesday and Wednesday for rounds of rain and some storms in the forecast, dropping us to 78 Wednesday with more widespread rain. By Thursday, drying out, but still a chance of storms in the forecast.